We are proud to showcase our new CTKPFD07 professional installation kit for the 2013 to 2014 Ford F150. The CTKPFD07 allows you to upgrade to an aftermarket head unit whilst retaining the use of your steering wheel controls. Normally located on the driver's side of the touchscreen, you'll find all of the necessary buttons to modify the temperature either in single or dual zone, fan speed and fan orientation. On the screen furthest away from the driver, you will find additional buttons that will regulate certain properties of the air conditioning as well as toggle your vehicle's heated seats. One of the main features of the CTKPFD07 is that of the configuration menu. Within, you are able to adjust certain vehicle parameters such as time and date, as well as how the distance and temperature information is displayed. In ITC settings, you are able to adjust the brightness of the screen, the balance of the stereo's audio output, as well as the type of radio that is connected to the system. The CTKPFD07 also supports the English, French and Spanish language. With the camera trigger wire connected, you can access the front camera feed through your new radio. By following the steps within your manual, you are then able to see the camera feed through your head unit's display. In addition, the reverse camera is also retained. To find out more about our professional installation kits, follow the details on screen or head on over to our website at www.connex2.com.